Today, I'll teach you some pretty cool tricks about Rubik's Cube. This trick is no matter what thing you do, as long as you keep on doing it, it will go to its original state. So I'm gonna do a sequence which is like this: 1, 2, down, 1, 2, right, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, right, 1, 2, down, and 1, 2, right, and it solves. Look at that. So another cool sequence to do, we'll do this. Turn up. Yeah, see that? Look amazing. Yeah, whatever sequence you do, keep on doing it, it will go to its original solved state. So if you feel like you learn a new algorithm or whatever, you feel like you're gonna mess up, or you feel like you already did mess up, just keep doing the algorithm to get it back to a normal state and figure it out, you know? Yeah. Also, I'll show you some cool patterns. You can do a 4x4, you can do it on 3x3. So it's called the eggs pattern. Like that, see? It's pretty cool, right? And here's another cool pattern. So we can do on all cubes. Real simple, easy to learn. And yeah. Pretty cool.